guys! Welcome back to our channel!
Hi guys! I'm Yashika and this is my kinchay!
Hi! Today is Sunday, so we don't have online class. But we cannot play outside because it is not safe. So my mom planned to make pancit for our snacks! And the ingredients are
Carrots and beans
and cabbage
and onions and
garlic
and
capsicum
and
Chocos.
Chokos.
And this is kinchay. This is oil. This is North chicken cubes. This is liquid seasoning. This is chicken. And then this is golden bihon.
Look!
First, my mom will cut the vegetables so she can prepare it to cook. Watch out!
Watch out!
Who's excited?
Me!
Me too!
A few moments later.
And now, my mom is done cutting. Look guys. And it is ready to cook. You know guys, it will be more delicious if there is soft drinks like Coke, Pepsi, and Sprite. But
No!
it is not healthy.
OMG! I have to put water and the Coke
And then you what?
and mix it and drink it.
Yes, Yashika does that. See you in a while. Wow, now my mom started to cook now.
Yummy!
She's cooking the chicken.
Yummy!
Wow. Later on, we're gonna cook the vegetables.
It's good. Look. It's good.
Now my mom is putting the vegetables in there so she can cook them. The beans, the cabbage,
Ay, hindi ko pa nilagay ang cabbage. Later pa yun.
all the cabbage. Okay.
Yung matitigas mo.
Look at the vegetables. She's cooking the vegetables now. Except for the cabbage. Wow. I think that's soy sauce.
Yummy!
Wow, it's almost done.
Yummy!
Look, it's already pancit.
Yes, Mika! Yummy! I love it, Mommy! Yummy!
It's like you're mixing it. It's like pancit canton. Look guys, it's already done.
Wow!
Now, let us eat. Okay. Whoops.
I want Coke.
Yeah, there's something missing.
I want Coke.
Can we get Coke?
No.
Put water.
No.
But I put water and Coke.
I really want water and Coke.
So delicious.
Yes.
I want to water
But
and
it's
Coke.
more delicious if there is Coke.
I want water and Coke.
Yashi?
Is it? What's it?
Later.
Yummy. Yummy. I'm so thirsty. I want Coke.
Really?
Me too. Thank you for watching.
Please share and subscribe.
Yashika